Ehomaki is a traditional Japanese sushi roll enjoyed on the day of Setsubun festival, February the 2nd this year. It's not only delicious but also symbolizes the good luck and health and happiness. This year, I keep it simple by using only accessible ingredients. Let's get started. We eat ehomaki while facing the lucky direction, as is the tradition. And the lucky direction changes each year according to the principles of yin and yang, that is called onmyodo. And I will reveal the lucky direction for 2025 at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Let's start with preparing the dried shiitake mushroom. Soak 3 dried shiitake mushrooms in half a cup of water. Cover with a paper towel and leave them to soak for at least 2 hours to overnight until the stems soften. Once ready, transfer them to a pot and add half a tablespoon of sugar and half a tablespoon of soy sauce and mirin. Simmer the shiitake until tender and the most of the liquid evaporates. While the dried shiitake mushrooms are cooking, cook the rice with slightly less water than usual, 1 tablespoon less per cup. Cut the cucumber into quarters, remove the seeds, and then cut each quarter into 2. You can save the seed to use in another dish later. To prepare the Anago congar eel, I'll be using the pre-grilled congar eel. Cut the Anago to match the width of the nori. The length of the cucumber and the nori seed are almost the same, so cut it to match the length of the cucumber. Slice the widest part of the Anago vertically into 4 equal pieces, then cut the rest into the same width. Place the Anago in a frying pan, sprinkle with 1 tablespoon of sake, cover and simmer for a few minutes. This will make the Anago tender and flavorful. To prepare the shrimp, peel the shrimp and leave the tail intact. Use a small knife to make a shallow cut along the back of the shrimp to expose the vein. Use the tip of the knife to remove the vein. Sprinkle a little salt and sake on the shrimp and massage them to remove any unpleasant smell. Rinse and dry them with paper towels. Next, skewer the shrimp from head to tail and place them in a frying pan with 1 tablespoon of sake. Simmer for a couple of minutes, making sure not to overcook the shrimp. Stop cooking just before they're fully cooked, allowing them to finish cooking in a residual heat. To make the Tamagoyaki, I prefer a slightly sweet flavor for sushi. I don't usually add sugar to my Tamagoyaki, but I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar here. Mix 2 teaspoons of mentsuyu, 2 tablespoons of water, and half a teaspoon of potato starch to create the seasoning liquid. Crack and beat eggs, then add the seasonings and mix well. You can use a small frying pan instead of a tamagoyaki pan for this step. Heat the frying pan and add oil. If it gets too hot, place it on a wet cloth to cool it down. For this recipe, pour the egg mixture in 4 batches to make the tamagoyaki. Pour a quarter of the egg mixture into the pan, roll it towards you. Then oil the surface with a paper towel and add another quarter of the egg mixture and run the mixture underneath the cooked egg. Repeat this process 2 more times or until the egg mixture is used. To keep the shape, roll it up in sushi mat and secure with a rubber band. Set aside until used. To prepare the sushi rice, place 1 chawan rice ball, about 200 grams, of freshly cooked rice in a bowl, and add 1.5 tablespoons of sushi vinegar and mix gently with a cutting motion. Be careful not to break the rice grains. Do this motion until the vinegar coats the rice, making it look glossy and delicious. Now let's assemble. Thinly slice the shiitake mushrooms and cut the Tamagoyaki into thirds, then cut into 1 cm square sticks. Place a seed of nori, shiny side down, on a sushi mat and prepare vinegary water to moisten your palm by mixing water and a little vinegar. Use this water to prevent the rice from sticking to your hands. Start by spreading the sushi rice evenly across the nori seed. Start from the center to the right and from the center to left. And finally, stretch the rice towards you. What we want here is an even layer of sushi rice, with the front slightly raised so the roll looks nice and neat. Sprinkle white sesame seed on top for the flavor. Place your prepared ingredients in the center of the rice. Roll the sushi tightly using the sushi mat. Make sure the ingredients stay in the place. Pick up the edges of the sushi mat with your thumb and index finger and other 3 fingers on the filling and roll it up while tucking. Once you roll up, squeeze gently to tighten the roll. Use a sharp knife to cut into 2 pieces. It looks beautiful. Now for the final touch. Face west-southwest, which is the lucky direction for the 2025, and enjoy a delicious ehomaki. Ehomaki is easily found at sushi restaurant, supermarket, and even the convenience store this season, but nothing better than making it at home. When you make it by yourself, you can customize the ingredients and use the freshest and the most favorite fillings. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!